Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to create multiple user accounts in Windows 11 without using a Microsoft account and without a password. Let's get started. First, click on the Start button and go to Settings. On the left side, click on Accounts. Now, scroll down and find the option that says Other Users. Click on it. Now, click the Add Account button. A window will pop up asking for an email. Do not enter anything here. Instead, click on the link that says, I don't have this person's sign-in information. On the next screen, click Add a user without a Microsoft account. Now, type the username for the new account. Since we want to log in without a password, just leave the password boxes empty. Click Next, and you're done. Your new local account is ready. By default, this is a standard account. If you want this user to have full control, click on the account name, select Change Account Type, and change it from Standard to Administrator. Then click OK. Now you can easily switch between users from the Start menu. It's fast, private, and very easy. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to 4K Torque for more simple Windows tutorials.